Chamomile tea is renowned for its calming properties, making it a popular choice for relaxation. This herbal tea has been revered for centuries as a natural remedy for alleviating stress and anxiety. The soothing effects of chamomile are attributed to its compounds that can help reduce anxiety levels and promote relaxation. By sipping on a warm cup of chamomile tea, individuals can experience a sense of calm and tranquility, making it an ideal beverage to unwind with after a hectic day. To prepare a classic chamomile cup, start by boiling water and steeping a chamomile tea bag for a few minutes to extract its calming essence. For added flavor, consider incorporating a touch of honey or a squeeze of lemon into your tea. These complementary ingredients can enhance the taste profile of the tea, making it more enjoyable for your palate. With its simplicity and soothing properties, this chamomile tea recipe is perfect for any time of the day, offering a soothing and comforting beverage to help you unwind. For a delightful chamomile-lavender blend, combine chamomile and lavender flowers to create a harmonious floral and aromatic infusion. Steep this fragrant blend in hot water to release their soothing properties and flavors, resulting in a calming tea experience. Before serving, remember to strain the mixture to remove any leftover herbs, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable texture. This blend is particularly well suited for winding down in the evening, as the combination of chamomile and lavender promotes relaxation and sets the perfect tone for a restful night's sleep. To prepare a refreshing iced chamomile mint tea, start by brewing chamomile tea and allowing it to cool to room temperature. Once cooled, introduce fresh mint leaves to the tea and refrigerate the mixture for a chilled and invigorating beverage. The combination of chamomile and mint offers a cooling and soothing effect, making it an ideal choice for staying relaxed and refreshed. Enjoy sipping on this revitalizing drink to beat the heat and unwind with a touch of herbal goodness. Chamomile tea offers a multitude of benefits for relaxation, including its ability to alleviate stress and support better sleep by promoting a sense of calmness. By opting for chamomile tea, individuals can naturally unwind after a hectic day, thanks to its soothing properties that help relax both the body and mind. Moreover, incorporating chamomile tea into your daily routine can bring about various health advantages beyond relaxation, making it a versatile and beneficial herbal beverage to enjoy regularly.